In the time it took you to hear that first sentence, a $1 billion war just ended. No soldiers, no bullets, just code fighting code in the dark. It's called high-frequency trading, and right now companies are spending billions to win a race against the speed of light itself. Most people think of the stock market as people shouting on a floor, but that's a ghost story. The real market lives here in the cold rooms. These are high-frequency trading, or HFT, firms. They don't buy stocks to hold them. They buy them to own them for, well, less than a blink. While you're waiting for a web page to load, an HFT algorithm has already bought and sold a stock 10,000 times. They're looking for pennies on the floor, but they're picking them up with a vacuum cleaner and moving it. Take the Spread Networks project. They spent $300 million just to dig a hole, a straight line through the Allegheny Mountains, to lay a fiber optic cable between Chicago and New Jersey. Why? To save 3 milliseconds. 3. That's the time it takes for a bee to flap its wings once. But fiber optics wasn't enough. Light travels slower through glass than through air. So they went back to the 1950s, microwave towers. They're building chains of towers across the planet to shave off another fraction of a second. Because in this war, being second place is the same as being last. So who's actually clicking the buy button? Nobody. The soldiers are algorithms. They're designed to sniff out patterns. If a big pension fund starts buying 1 million shares of a tech giant, the HFT bot detects the wake in the water before the first trade is even finished. It jumps in front, buys the shares, and sells them back to the fund a microsecond later for a fraction of a cent more. It's called front-running, and it's perfectly legal as long as you're fast enough. But what happens when the machines get confused? May 6, 2010, the flash crash. In just 36 minutes, the U.S. stock market lost nearly $1 trillion. The algorithms started feeding on each other's panic, a digital feedback loop that almost deleted the global economy because of a glitch. We like to think we're in control of our world, but beneath the surface, there is a war happening at a scale we can't even perceive. We've built a system so fast that humans are now the slowest part of the equation. We're just spectators in a 0.0001 second war, and it just happened again.